Okay, at this point the repair is complete and I'm testing the radiator. So you can see I have a slightly different testing rig than I used before, because not everybody's got a $100 pressure tester. What you can do is just get an inner tube from a bicycle. This is the size for this particular radiator. It fits perfectly. And you use a couple of hose clamps at either end, and then you have to wrap the inner tube with tape so it doesn't expand too much. Okay, so as you can see, I pressurized the radiator to just under 20 psi. So using a regular bicycle pump. And so we're going to see how we do. Another thing, so there's the radiator cap is on, and I've got to plug this opening right here. I'm just going to use my hand to do that. Pump it up a little bit more. And let's see how we did. So no bubbles coming up anywhere. So that's a good sign. At least at this juncture, the repair seems to be a good one. We'll see how it holds up to thermal cycling in the car.